Dealing with a living room PC system crash on SteamOS 3.9 can be incredibly frustrating. I've personally faced these exact issues and spent considerable time finding real solutions. After testing many approaches, I've gathered several effective methods to get your system stable again, and I'm excited to share these with you right now. This video how to show you how to solve living room PC crash SteamOS 3.9 problems, ensuring your gaming setup runs perfectly. Our first method involves software updates. Your operating system needs updates to fix small errors, bugs that cause crashes. Keeping SteamOS and its drivers current ensures all computer parts communicate smoothly, preventing instability. Next, we tackle game files and storage. Corrupted game files or storage drive problems can crash your system when reading faulty data. Verifying and repairing these files ensures everything is intact, stopping game-related shutdowns. Our third area is your computer's physical health. Overheating parts like the processor or graphics card force shutdowns to prevent damage. A weak power supply or loose connections also cause instability. Checking for cool temperatures, secure connections, and steady power makes your PC reliable. Finally, sometimes a clean slate is needed. If your operating system has accumulated hidden problems or conflicting settings, constant crashes can result. Reinstalling SteamOS wipes away all software issues, providing a clean, stable foundation for smooth living room gaming.